How do you handle problem boards with your PCB vendor? On this episode of Gerbers and Grounds. Hi, this is Greg with Gerbers and Grounds with another tip on better board buying. It always amazes me whenever I get on an AVL with a customer. I had to jump through hoops, show my ISO certification, show how clean our shop was, UL approvals, build samples, give references, financial reports, everything. But one thing we never have in place is a problem resolution program. Something that we have an agreed upon process of how to handle when a problem occurs. Not if, but when a problem will occur. I can't tell you how many times I've had calls from buyers saying, Greg, we have a problem with this board. Well, what's the problem? I don't know. What's the data code? I don't know. How many pieces? I don't know. Well, how can I help you resolve quickly if I don't have that information from you? Now, I know you got everyone, production and quality, on your back, but in order for me to resolve your issue as quickly as possible, I need to have that information. A problem resolution program can be a documented process of expectation. You, as the assembler, come to me as the vendor with a problem. You say, Greg, I have this board, this many pieces, this date code with this problem. That is an expectation of where you're giving me all the information I need to go to take back to the factory, my production people, and say, look, this is what's going on. Photographs are excellent to show. It's a great way to describe so nothing gets lost in communication between your PCB salesman and the PCB manufacturing facility. Likewise, once you've given your PCB vendor all that pertinent information, the onus is now on the board house. They need to react quickly, understand the problem, correct the problem, and give you a recovery plan within a reasonable amount of time. Again, you'd like to get something in 5 minutes, but you can't wait 48 hours either. And if your vendor is not helping you out in a dire situation, especially one they created, then maybe it's time to look for another PCB vendor. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my page. If you post a comment or a question that we use in a video, we will send you a free copy of PCB Basics for Buyers and a Gerbers and Grounds coffee mug. This episode of Gerbers and Grounds is brought to you by EPTEC, the internationally recognized leader in solder training and IPC certification. Train, work smarter, succeed.